we're going to graph the greatest integer function. So we have f of x equals x plus 1 inside of the greatest integer function notation. And we want to state the domain and range. So first we make a table and select a few values that are between the integers. So we're going to start with negative 2, negative 1.75, negative 1.25, negative 1, etc. And then we add 1 to each of those because our expression is x plus 1. And we move each of these to the closest integer, right? 0.75 is not an integer, but negative 1 is. So we take negative 0.75 and we move it to negative 1. Same with negative 0.25, it goes to negative 1. The greater than or equal to negative 1, but less than 0. So negative 1 is the greatest integer that is not greater than negative 1, negative 0.75, or negative 0.5. Then in this section, they all go to 0. This section, they all go to 1. In this section, they all go to 2. So on the graph, the dots represent the included points, and the circles represent the points that are not included. The domain is all real numbers, and the range is all the integers. Note that this graph of f of x equals x shifted 1 unit to the left. So here is what it looks like on the graph. So we got x is negative 2, and it stays at negative 1 all the way until you get to 1, where it jumps to 1. And then it stays all the way here until it gets to 0, then it jumps up. And then it stays here, and then it jumps up all the way across.